Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, I have V75 5 minutes time frame on my screen, and the screen is divided into three. I have the main chart. Okay, this is the main chart. All right. I have indicator window 1. This is indicator window 1. And I have indicator window 2. This indicator window 2. Okay. So how does this strategy work? How can you use this strategy to trade volatility 75 index? Okay, let's look at the parameters, the settings of the main chart. Okay, we have fractals. That's the first indicator. Then we have moving average, 4 period. Shift is 0. Method is smoothed. Apply to close. Color is red. So I have another moving average this time around. The period is 240. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close and color is black. Then I have Bollinger Bands. Period is 20. The deviation is 2.0. Shift is 0. Apply to close. Color is purple. And then I have another moving average, which is 20 period. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to close. Color is cyan. Okay. Now, how can you use all these indicators to trade with them on the main chart? All right. So on the main chart, when you see the red line, okay, when you see it cross above the cyan color, okay, or the cyan line, like you have around here, that's a buy signal. Okay, when you see it cross down, all right, that's a sell signal. Okay, all right. So also when you see the red bar, okay, red candle bar lap across the red line, okay, that's a sell signal. Okay, so when you now have the red line crossing down, okay, that's another sell signal, or more like confirmation. Okay, and at the same time, when you have the green candle bars lapping across the red line, okay, you see the green candle bars lapping across the red line, okay, like you have around here, that's a buy signal. Of course, when the red line laps across the cyan colored line, that's a buy signal. Okay, now resistance is at the upper Bollinger Bands. This is your resistance. Okay, expect price to drop when the candle forms like a wick across the upper Bollinger Bands, like you can see a wick, candle wick lapping across the upper Bollinger Band. Also for support, let's look at where we have support. Okay, like you have support here. Okay, you have the candle forming like a wick across the lower Bollinger Bands. That's like your support. Okay, so that's how to interpret the indicators on the main chart. Okay, now when you have if I'm going to zoom out, when you have the indicators crossing above the 240 period line, okay, that informs you that you have bullish trend development. I'm talking about the lines, the cyan color, the Bollinger Bands, and the red line. Okay, see all the indicators crossing above. That's bullish trend. When you have all indicators crossing below the black line, the T40 period line, like you have around here, all the indicators crossed down around there, that's bearish trend development. Okay, and you can see. All right, so that's the essence of the black line. Now, how can we use the indicators on indicator window 1? Let's check the parameters on indicator window 1 first. We have relative strength index. Okay, the period is 5. Apply to close. Color is red. Still on indicator window 1. We have moving average. Period is 50. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data. Of course, the color is pink. Then we have another moving average. Period is 100. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data. Color is blue. Okay, we have another moving average. Period is 200. Shift is 0. Method is exponential. Apply to first indicators data. Color is green. Okay, then we have Ichimoku. Tenkan Sen 8. Kijun Sen 26. Senkan Span B, that's 52. Of course, the up Kumo is green and the down Kumo is red. Then after the Ichimoku, we have relative strength index. The period this time around is 6. Apply to close. Color is red. Now, can we use this indicators to make informed decisions as regards signals on the indicator window 1? Okay, when the red lines, okay, like you have around here, it crosses above the all other indicators. You see the red line, this particular red line, see crossing above all the other indicators. I'm talking about the pink, the blue, the green indicators, the moving averages, and then the Ichimoku. When you have a cross above like this, that's your buy signal. Okay, but when you have it cross down, you have your red line crossing down below all other indicators. Okay, like you have around here, this is your sell signal. Okay, when you see it crossing down below all other indicators, that's a sell signal. That's a sell signal. Okay, then when you have it crossing above all other indicators, that's your buy signal. Okay, so that's that for indicator window 1. For indicator window 2, let's look at the parameters. Okay, we have MACD. The fast EMA is 12. The slow EMA is 26. MACD SMA is 9. No color to the style. Then we have stochastic oscillator. The percentage K period is 7. Percentage D period is 4. Slowing is 4. Price field is close over close. Method is simple. Then the main star color is green. The signal star color is red. For the levels, we have 95 and then 5. Color is blue. Okay, that's that for the MACD. What about the stochastic? Okay, that's for the stochastic oscillator. What about the moving average? We have the period to be 200. Shift is 0. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators data. Color is blue. That's that for the parameters. Now, how does the indicators work on indicator window 2? Now, for you to have buy signal, because the green and the red lines will have dropped. Okay, will have dropped to the 5 stochastic level, and as the two lines rises up, you have your buy signal. Okay, for you to have sell signal on the other hand, the the green and the red line will most likely drop from the 95 level. Okay, but as it drops, that's your sell signal. Buy signal drops to the 5 level. Okay, the green and the red line drops to the 5 level, and as it rises, that's your buy signal. Okay, so like this is an example. Let me give you another example. You have the for sell signal, the green and the red line touches the 95 level and starts to drop and cross over the blue indicator line. That's a sell signal. Okay, that's a sell signal. So reverse is the case for buy signal. You can see it dropping to the 5 level and then rising up to cross above the blue indicator line. Okay, so if that's for buy signal. Let me look for another example. Okay, another example for buy signal. You can see the blue, the green and the red. You can see the green and the red lines touching the 5 stochastic level and rises to cross above the blue line, and then you have your buy signal. Okay, at the point of crossing above the blue line is your buy confirmation. So that's that for this strategy. The alignment of all signals on all this on all the screen, on all the charts, that gives you your confirmation to place your trade if you are buying or you are placing a sell trade, if you are going long or you are going short. So this strategy is best used on a 5-minute time frame for scalping small profits at a particular time. Okay, once you spot the signal, you can scalp your profits. Okay, that's that. Don't forget to click the subscribe. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Okay, to subscribe for the channel. Also click the like button for the video if you like what you've just seen. Okay, and drop your comments below the video. If you have questions, you can drop it below the video. You can also click the bell button below the video for notification. But before you use this strategy on your account, on your live account, try it out on the demo account first, so that you know how you get the grip of how it works before going live. All right, so you can also visit our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade volatility 75 index. We also have another website, fxfables.com. You can visit the site to learn more on how to trade forex or volatility index. Till I come your way next time, it's